What do you do with your old estate planning documents? Hi, I'm Guy DiMartino. I am a Northwest Indiana estate planning and probate lawyer, and today I'd like to answer that question for you. A few weeks ago, I was meeting with somebody and they needed to update their plan. And I said, well, bring in what you had. And they had 3 prior wills with them. They had a will from the 70s, a will from the 80s, a will from the late 90s. And it brings up the question, why hold on to all those wills? It can lead to challenges. It can lead to disputes. You need to get rid of your old estate planning documents once you have a new set of estate planning documents. There's no reason to keep the documents any longer. If you go ahead and pass away and somebody goes ahead and finds the old documents, they think that those might be the documents that they have to go ahead and act on. No reason to keep them. The will from 1970, when you did the will in 1980, you revoked that will. The will that you did in 1980, when you redid it in the late 90s, you revoked that document because it usually says, I hereby revoke any prior wills, codicils, and blah, 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 blah in the new will. So once we are done with the estate plan in 2021, destroy the rest of the estate planning documents. You don't need them. They can only cause confusion. If you have any questions regarding a Northwest Indiana estate plan, you can always reach out to me. I am Guy DiMartino. Have yourself a great day.